Welcome to our journey through the origins of language. Today, we're exploring words born from Latin words vocis, meaning voice. First up is vocal. Vocal, from Latin vocalis, meaning of or pertaining to the voice. Vocabulary, from Latin vocabulum, meaning a word or a name. Advocate, from Latin advocatus, meaning called to one's aid or summoned. Equivocate, from Latin aequivocare, meaning to call by the same name or to be deliberately ambiguous. Invoke, from Latin invocare, meaning to call upon or to summon. Provocative, from Latin provocare, meaning to call forth or to challenge. Revoke, from Latin revocare, meaning to call back or to repeal. Vociferous, from Latin vociferare, meaning to shout or to cry aloud. Vocation, from Latin vocatio, meaning a calling or a summons. Vocalize, from Latin vocalis, meaning of or pertaining to the voice, combined with the suffix "-is, meaning to make or become. Through these examples, we see how Latin has profoundly shaped English, connecting us deeply to our vocal roots. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Folded Hands.